Hello, everyone. So, for this episode of the class, we will be looking at how to load an HTML page using a Node server. So, from the previous videos, we created a new project, but we didn't really do anything with it. We installed some bit of packages for Node and looked at how to install dev dependencies and all of that. So, let me quickly launch the demo project that we created. We called it Demo with Q project. So I'm going to open this with my VS Code and select that. So this is the project. Sorry about that. So this is the project that we created previously, where we looked at how to install packages and create the package.json. We have dependencies that shows us the packages that we've installed and dev dependencies to show us the development packages that we've also installed. So this was what we did, and we didn't really go further with it. So now for this class, we are going to actually create a server with Node. This is creating server with fresh installation of Node, no frameworks involved, just pure Node.js. And we'll be doing this with some packages, some core packages that are already embedded in Node.js. So for some of them, we would have to do some bit of demo so you can see how they actually work. So I'm going to create a folder here and call it demo folder just to show some of those core packages. And inside of them, I'll just create the name of one of the packages that we'll be looking at that are core to Node.js. And one of them is path, the path module. So I just call this file path.js so we can use it to call it path demo so we don't confuse it. Let's say path demo. Now in this path demo, we want to see exactly how the path module works. So for importing path, what you do is say const, can call it path equals require. So this is how you import in Node module. Require, you open the bracket and you pass in the name of the package called path. So this is exactly how you require or you import a Node module. So in JavaScript, what they call ES6, that is ECMAScript scripts 6. There is an advanced way of importing packages where you do import path from something like path. This wouldn't work in Node.js for now. It is not yet perfected in Node.js, so we still have to do the require method. So I'm going to delete this. So let's see how path actually works. What path does is that it helps us work with the file path or of any file, and it gives us a couple of useful methods that we can use to get the path of a file, get the base name or the extension name. So let's quickly look at that. So we have a method called path.join. This basically helps us to get the full path of any file. So it takes some arguments. One of them is that it gives us something called directory name of a file. So if we do path.join directory name, so let's say let's directory equals path.join directory name and not pass anything else. And then we'll do a console log directory, and then we come down here to actually see what is in the content of this directory. You can say no. We have to go inside of the demo folder. So let's say cd demo. And now we can have, just to be sure, type ls to see, okay, we have access to path demo. Now we can say node path demo tab to complete, and then enter. We would see that this directory name here, this directory actually gives us the current directory that we are in. So let's see what more we can get from path.join. So path.join also takes a second parameter, which could be the, if there was a subfolder, we could use the second parameter to get it, but because we don't have a subfolder here, there's no need for that. And if there's a third thing we want to get, like the file, so let's see what more we can get. So we can actually get the name of this file that we are in using path.join as well. So we could say the second parameter we want to get path demo.js, and then let's call this path file path. So the log file path node, and then gives us the full directory of where we have this particular file, everything complete. So from file path we could also get the path extension, the file extension. So let's see, select file extension equals path.ext name. This is another path method to get the extension name, and then pass in the file path. Now we can do console.log file extension to see what is inside file extension, and then node again path demo.js. Now you can see it gives us just the file extension, which is .js. We could also see the base name. So let's see. Let's base name equals path dot base name, and you pass in the file path. So let's say console.log the base name. Then if you run this again, it gives us path demo.js, which is just the name of this file itself. So these are some useful methods worthy of note when working with file path and